Nowadays, giant machines play an important role in the forestry logging process. With the ability to quickly cut and process wood, these machines have helped optimize labor efficiency. Please follow the operation of these powerful and advanced machines. Subscribe to our channel and receive more interesting videos. The Kinetic 437 Combi combined with the Jobo ST50 Combi is a dynamic duo. Equipped with a powerful motor, this machine boasts an impressive cutting capacity and turns towering trees into meticulous cuts. Start your journey through the forest with the Malawa 564C, a forestry masterpiece that redefines wood cutting. Equipped with a powerful motor, this machine exhibits an impressive cutting capacity of approximately 32 inches. Embark on forestry transformation with the R3 excavator combined with the Doosan DX6241, a dynamic duo that conquers the forest, turning towering trees into small, easy to move pieces of wood. With a powerful 111cc engine that roars with unstoppable power, the Stihl 076 easily and accurately knocks down giant logs. The Koivu 1 is equipped with a powerful motor, and this machine boasts an impressive cutting capacity that easily processes towering trees into evenly cut logs. The skillful combination of the man and his modern saw makes woodcutting a brilliant artistic performance. The Husqvarna 592 XPG is a real beast in the world of wood carving. With a powerful fuel source, this machine demonstrates top cutting ability, ranking first in the list of the 10 most popular saws in the woodcutting industry. The Husqvarna 592 XP chainsaw is a giant in the chainsaw world. With a giant 90cm long Schwerdt blade, it can swallow huge logs with unparalleled precision. Embark on a giant tree cutting adventure with the Husqvarna 592 XP. The chainsaw superhero boasts a massive 90cm long Schwerp blade that skillfully conquers the hardest woods. The Husqvarna 254 SG is an advanced machine that is popular today. This is a close-up of the process of processing giant trees in the John Deere 3156G machine. It is equipped with the Southstar QS600 processor. The dynamic duo tackles giant trees with precision and power. This advanced technology, equipped with precision cutting blades and a powerful motor, combined with incredible processing speed, and can cut large logs with ease and efficiency. A close-up of the wood cutting process taking place right in the heart of the forest, as advanced machinery takes on the challenge of processing huge blocks of wood. Witness the power of the Doosan DX62R combined with the formidable 375R head as it conquers the challenge of handling massive pieces of wood. With remarkable tree cutting capacity, the dynamic duo processes logs simply and effectively, saving working time. A dense forest was cleared by these giant advanced machines in short order. The Husqvarna 572 XP and Stihl MS 462C stand out as giants in the chainsaw industry, meticulously crafted for enhanced performance for maximum efficiency in the woodcutting industry. Witness human creativity in wood processing. Advanced machines have been created to make wood processing easier and more effective. The giant E-Monster Sam chainsaw is designed for unrivaled wood chopping power, with its massive 150cm long blade. The combination of Yanmar's powerful engineering and the precision of its guillotine head represents a new standard in the handling of tree debris from the Latvian landscape. a modern chainsaw that takes on the challenge of cutting down giant trees with precision and power. With incredible cutting speed, it easily handles towering giants. Embark on a wood carving adventure with the Husqvarna 572 XP. This chainsaw has impressive cutting power, handling dry wood with ease and exceptional speed. Designed to drill wood with a maximum torque of 90 Nm, Drill Kegel 2 becomes the right choice for jobs that require dexterity and strength. One of the most important machines that makes woodcutting work easy and precise. With incredible cutting speeds, the formidable Husqvarna 592 XP and the reigning champion Stihl MS661 easily cut through dry wood, perfectly combining precision and power. The Husqvarna 592 XP and the Stihl MS500i are two giants in the chainsaw world. They demonstrate remarkable cutting speeds, redefining the art of cutting dry wood with unmatched efficiency. The Husqvarna 535i RX is a cordless lawnmower with a shielded blade, making trimming shrubs a breeze. The guarded blade provides safety while maintaining precision, making it a reliable companion for cutting jobs. These devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know your thoughts. We promise to bring you more interesting videos. See you again. Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.